So now we're going to edit a short video using a template that we already have. So first thing I like to do when I have a template is to make a copy. And that way, when I make a copy, I know I have the original to fall back on. So first things first, swap out the video. Actually, the easiest way to swap out the video, I'm going to go to my upload video, this one, and I'm just going to swap it in.
If toxic,
because it's off to the side, I want to fix it, make sure that the face centered, hit done. Also, because the blouse is a different color, I'm going to change the background to another color using the brand kit. So I picked the brand kit from the different brand kits that I have here. And making sure that that's there. The next thing we want to do is to listen to the video.
positivity is ruining.
Okay. So now we want to, based on the video content, we want to change this note here that tells the viewer kind of what the video is about. So the truth about toxic positivity in you. Okay, so that'll draw in the viewer. And then the next thing we're going to do, since we did copy this in the previous video, had a caption, I just want to go and look and make sure. Yeah, we want to delete the caption before we add captions for this video. So if we don't do that, they'll overwrite each other. So let me go to this menu on the far left side here and find captions in the video. This is only available in the video editor menu also. So it only has the one track that has spoken words. It will go and create the captions, which usually takes about 10 to 30 seconds for a roughly 1 minute video. I like to bring it a bit as close to the midpoint as possible, just because a lot of this will not show on Instagram because Instagram puts a whole bunch of information here. This is where the information about the channel and different things will be. So I want to pull that up. And that is actually blending in, so that's perfect. But now we want to make sure our call to action is aligned with the video. So what I do is I skim the video now that we have the captions on. And here it's comment awakening. Okay. So want to make sure that this is in alignment and also that it appears at the right time. So here's where she says comment awakening to receive the free guide. And I know it does that because, let's see, so yeah, there we go. So we want it to appear there and to stay up for the duration of the video. Let's move me so you can continue to see that here. All right, and let's keep moving this down. Make sure we have everything, and that's how you edit it. One last thing would be to rename it at the top. Yep, there we go. So instead of copy of, I would make it truth about the positivity, and I always share it as a template link. But if this was my own, I would then download it as an MP4 video file and hit the download button. Before you download it, you can preview it here, and this is what
If
it will
toxic
look like
positivity
on the
is
social media
ruining
channel.
your healing journey, here's what.
And so that's what we have. And I hope this video has been helpful. Take care.